iCUE4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair RGB memory with full control over your RGB lighting and the ability to monitor temperatures of individual modules. To begin setting up your Corsair RGB memory, mouse over the tile for your memory and click on DIMM Setup. The DIMM Setup tab should only be used if you need to adjust the orientation and order of your memory modules in order to match your motherboard layout. Use the rotation controls at the bottom of each memory module in the preview. And if you need to change the order of your modules, simply click and drag each module into the correct position. To set up the lighting of your modules, go to Lighting Effects. Add a lighting effect by clicking the plus button under Lighting Layers. Select from a predefined, custom, or a lighting link effect in the lighting type window. Note that lighting link effects will be applied and synced with all connected devices that are compatible with iCUE4. Configure your lighting effect. Different effects will have controls for speed, direction, and color. By default, lighting effects will be assigned to all available lighting zones on your memory. If you wish to select a specific lighting zone for your new lighting effect, simply click and drag to select the desired lighting zones, or hold the Control button on your keyboard and left-click to select multiple individual lighting zones. You can also experiment with lighting effects by adding another lighting effect in the Lighting Layers tab and assigning that effect to different lighting zones. Lighting effects can play back on top of each other. To change the desired order of your lighting effects, simply click and drag the lighting effect to the desired position in your lighting layer stack. If you want to change the lighting behavior of your memory modules for situations where your system is in sleep mode or you don't have iCUE running, go to the Hardware Lightings tab. Add a lighting effect by clicking the plus button and select the lighting type. If you wish for your memory module lighting to turn off when your system is in sleep mode, select Static Color and set the RGB values to 0. Note that you might need to wait a few seconds as the hardware lighting is applied to each memory module. If you wish to monitor the temperatures of your memory modules, go to the Cooling tab. Click on the temperature readout for each memory module to see a graph of your module's temperature over time. You can change the interval as well as enable logging by using the controls at the bottom of the window. If you wish to set a custom alert for your memory modules, go to the Alerts tab. You can create a new alert by clicking the plus button and configure its behavior by enabling different actions using the toggles to the right. Note that you can assign different behaviors to different temperatures. Once you've configured your alert, assign it to a memory module by using the drop-down under the desired module temperature readout. Go to Device Settings if you need to change the brightness or check for a firmware update for your memory modules. And that's it! iCUE4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair RGB memory. For more information about Corsair iCUE, check out corsair.com/iCUE.